Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today I'm going to show you how to make tender Asian beef strips. And the name pretty much says it all. They're tender and they're fried in a little bit of sesame seed oil and marinated in a honey garlic sauce, which gives it a really unique and tasty flavor. So before we get started, I just wanted to make you aware that I have a couple of recipe books available on Amazon. And I've also provided a quick link in the description below this video. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, so we'll start with some strip loin steak. Try and choose a nice quality steak, and we'll need probably about 3 of them that are roughly 8 ounces each. They should be lightly marbled with a little bit of fat, but we'll trim off any excess fat that there is on the edges. Using a very sharp knife, we'll cut them into large strips. And they should be about 3/4 of an inch wide and maybe about 3 or 4 inches long. Now we'll need to use a good quality large frying pan. Use pure sesame oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Turn your heat on medium-high and warm that oil up and start placing your strips in and frying them. Try to make sure that all of the beef strips touch the bottom of the pan and have a chance to brown that way and to marinate in the sesame seed oil. The beef strips will produce a little bit of their own juices as well, but if you need to add a little bit more of the sesame seed oil, then that's okay too. Just make sure that they have a chance to brown up a little bit. Let them simmer on medium-high, and once they start to brown a little underneath, that's when you'll flip them over and let the other side do the same. So let's make up a little bit of a sauce now to put over this. Start by using a small bowl. Add a good 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. Now then add about 1/2 cup of liquid honey. So the honey will not only create a nice sweet flavor, it will help to glaze the meat and have the sauce stick to it nicely. Now when you're dealing with meat, it's always good to have a little bit of zap. We're going to do Worcestershire sauce and slap in about 2 tablespoons of that. And it's a really good idea to add a teaspoon of minced ginger. Well, you might be thinking that that sounds pretty good for a sauce right there, but I think that we may add just a little bit of prepared hot mustard. That'll just add a little bit of heat to it and bring out all the other flavors. And I added a 1/2 teaspoon of that. Next is 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Of course, that's what offsets the whole thing. Gives it that honey garlic flavor with a little Asian twist. And we'll finish this off by adding 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And now mix that together until it's well combined. Now your beef would have cooked for probably about 10 minutes or so, and it'll be nicely browned like this, and you'll just add your sauce in on top and let that come to a boil. Continue to simmer so that the sauce thickens up a little bit and all the flavors have a chance to soak into the meat. Looks like it's starting to thicken up a little bit here, so that's pretty good. It will continue to thicken a little bit more as it starts to cool down. So we'll put it into a serving dish, and you can serve it while it's nice and hot. This is a good choice to serve with a bed of rice, mixed vegetables, with Chinese food, or simply as a side to take to a potluck. So lots of choices there. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and until next time, happy eating!